Hello friends, welcome to my channel Real Growth Tech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about the secret of getting free website traffic without spending single penny. In today's digital marketing world, most of us are using blogs, websites and other types of business websites to do the business and build their brand. This website traffic helps to reach the customers and increase the brand awareness. Today, I am going to tell you about one website which will help you to get free website traffic around 1000 to 2000 per day. Please watch this video till the end. You will get to know about free website traffic. Let's go to my laptop screen and discuss in detail. This is my laptop screen. Go to the Google Chrome. Open a new browser. Type GetIt.com. Click enter. I will provide the link in the description below. You click on that link, it will take to this website. So this is the website. It's loading still. So per day you will get 1000 to 2000 traffic with the help of this website. See, this website is showing Get It Premium Web Traffic Exchange that is completely free. Promote your site to millions of users through our traffic exchange service. Free bounce rate reduction, social and search engine traffic source, high quality mobile traffic by signing up for Get It now. Sign into this account or sign up to account. After signing up to your account, they will send an activation link to your Gmail account like this. Click on activate. So I will show you my blogger website, how I get 2000 to 2000 website traffic per day. This is my blogger website dashboard. See, totally we are having 16 pages post. Each post is getting good traffic with the help of this website. 234, 831, 671, 664. I will show you the stats. Here, click on stats. See, yesterday I got 1933 with the help of this website. Get it pages like this. So today still it's getting 952. Even I can expect more than this. See, this is a graph how the website traffic is increasing in my website. I will show you in my analytics account. See, this is my analytics account. See, it is getting the traffic from the different parts of the world. See, from France, Germany, Nigeria, Pakistan. Scroll down here. Here, United States, India, France, Germany, Pakistan, Mexico, like this. Once you start getting the website traffic from this website, it will reach all parts of the world. Per day, you will get maximum 1000 to 2000 free website traffic, both Blogger and WordPress website. Let's go to the website. Here, click on Start Now. Here, scroll down. Click on Download. This is a traffic exchange software for free. You have to download to your computer to get free website. Once you download to your computer, it will save to your desktop. Click on this. It will appear like this. Here you have to submit the token. With the help of this token, you can get more traffic. I will show you how. Again, go to the website. Scroll down. Click on Generate Token. So token is generated. Once generating the token, click on Copy Token. Token is copied. Go to this desktop version. paste this token here. Click on submit token. Token is submitted successfully. Again go to the website. Again click on generate token. So another token is created. Again copy the second token. Go to the desktop version again. Paste it here. Again click submit token. Once it is completed, it will show the number of traffic, connected IP address, and which country you belongs to. See, after submitting the tokens, check this token. See, already it is started getting the website traffic. So this is the total to traffic, connected IP address, and from India. Like this, it will start getting more and more traffic per day. So every day, once you want to get the traffic, you have to submit the token here two times. Whatever I have done right now, 2 times we have to submit a token. After submitting the token, you will start get the website traffic like this. You refresh again. See, it's showing 3. Like this, it keep on increasing. Per day, you will get approximately around 1,500 to 2,000 website traffic. If you want to check whether this website is a fake or genuine, whatever the website traffic you are getting is original or not, go to the search bar here, type scamadvisor.com. Scamadvisor.com. Click enter. This is the Scam Advisor is the website to check whether the website is a genuine or not. Here in the search bar, type www.getthehit.com. Just enter. See the total score, the trust score. It is having 100%. This website is 100% genuine. You can easily get 1,000 to 2,000 website traffic per day without any doubts. See the getit.com reviews. Is safe or a scam free. It doesn't have any scam and malware effect. So anybody can get website traffic by using this getit.com. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video helps a lot in understanding about website traffic and how to get free website traffic to reach more customer, build brand awareness. Please implement this in your system so it will help you to reach more customer and get more business. So don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like to my channel. In future also I will bring same kind of video which will enhance your knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.